Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I wanted to go over with you 10 trends for fall and winter, or should I say cooler weather. So 10 cooler weather trends that are trending now but that you may want to avoid if you are 40, 50, 60 plus. So if you're interested to see my thoughts on this subject, then just stay tuned. And real quick, ladies, I just wanted to mention I do put my outfit of the day at the end of the video because you usually can only see a bit of it, and I don't wear my third layer and my shoes while I'm here chit-chatting with you. So if you are ever interested in the whole ensemble and where I got them from, that is linked below and at the end of the video. And then another thing that I am loving right now that I wanted to share with you because they're having a great sale, and this little part of the video is sponsored. Teddy Blake reached out to me and said, hey Liz, let your viewers know about this great special that we're having, and I was happy to do so because I have been loving this purse. It is a beautiful leather purse, so it's full leather. I love the little feet. I love the closure here, which is really nice. I love this color too. So when I don't want to wear, black boots or a cream color boot, I go for my beige boots, which go with all of the colors, with black, with white. So I love to have a purse that matches. And this is held up really well. I took everything out so you could see the inside, and it's very easy to carry around however you like. So I love to carry it just on my arms sometimes. It does have an adjustable shoulder strap. It's just real hardy. I'm not careful with it at all, and I take it around, throw it on in my car, and have worn this professionally and casually. It's really great. I also went out of town recently and loved that everything was secure and I could wear it crossbody, and it's just real safe. So if you are looking for a leather purse, they are having a really great sale, and they have a lot of colors and options. I like this size and this color personally, but check it out if you are in the market for a quality piece that you can have for years and years. All right, ladies, disclaimer. If you love any of the things I'm saying or don't, or you want to do you, that is great. You do that. I think it's great for women to be able to discuss what we do and don't like, what we do think is stylish and not, and it is subjective, absolutely. So what one person thinks is beautiful or lovely, another can think is atrocious. So whether that's your home decor, whether that's a person, whether that's your car, and of course that trickles down even into personal style. So the key is to be confident, feel good when you leave the house every day. So disclaimer complete, and trend number one that is trending for let's say the end of 2023, really been trending all year, are ultra low rise jeans or ultra baggy. Now, I go out shopping. I love looking in stores. I love looking online, and I do see baggy jeans everywhere. I also have 20-something-year-olds and teens, and they love this. They love the low rise. They love the baggy. It is a look, it is on trend. Now, if you love this, I'm not doing the ultra low. I think I did that in the 90s, not revisiting that at 45, but if you love it, wear it. Maybe don't do the ultra baggy with the ultra low rise. I personally am opting for a mid-rise and then the wide leg. So the wide leg jean pant is something that I have totally gotten into. I think it is a lovely silhouette. I think it is comfortable. I think it looks classy. So there is a fine line between the wide leg and the ultra baggy. So they're not the same. And you really, again, especially when we're dealing in denim, you have to find your perfect jean. So you have to find what fits and flatters you. But I think if you just get a couple wide leg pants, see how you feel in them. It takes a little while to get used to, especially if you've been wearing the skinny mostly, you know, transitioning over. I think I started out with the straight leg. I mostly did boot cut and skinny for a long time. I still love boot cut, but then started adding in straight leg and then some wide leg. I tried the ultra wide leg and I just, it's not for me. Not in the denim. In the spring and summer, like a palazzo pant, I think is beautiful. And so it's, you know, a little bit of self-preference, but also what looks good on you, what you feel good in. So instead of an ultra low rise, ultra baggy, opt for maybe a mid-rise, beautiful wide leg that suits you. Okay, and trend number 2 are ultra mini skirts. And this is another one that's been trending all year. It is still trending into the end of the year in these cooler months. I am seeing the runways, the young people wearing more, you know, denim and faux leather, and then even pairing it with leggings or tights or something like that. So that is a lovely look on them. But if you are not comfortable with that, like me, and want to opt for something a little more modest but still classy, sexy, stylish, I would say opt for a midi or maxi length skirt. So these are very much on trend. I would say all lengths of skirts are now. Well, maybe not knee length, but you could still even incorporate that, but really it's kind of a mini or a midi or maxi length. And then of course, I'm sure you've heard of the denim maxi skirts. Those are very, very much on trend. So that is a great option. I have been personally loving the denim maxi skirt. I have done a couple videos on it this year. So if you haven't seen those, I'll link them below for you to watch next. To kind of give you a couple different styles, cuts that you might want to consider. And because I've been loving the denim maxi skirt so much, I actually recently picked up in my newest Anthropologie haul, which I'll link below, a lovely faux leather and a lovely corduroy. So, you know, another option if you are in the market for, you know, what kind of skirt to wear, you do have choices. And trend number 3 that's been going all year are cropped tops. And I have seen these styled many, many different ways. Some of the like 30-something-year-olds will throw a blazer over or some kind of third layer, but still have the midriff out. And for me, that isn't something that I'm gonna wear. Even if I could, even if I was in shape enough to wear it, that isn't a style that I feel good in. So I do like cropped tops though. So let me tell you what to opt for instead. Instead of a cropped little sweater or shirt, I would say go for a cropped blazer, a cropped jacket, or even a cropped knit cable knit sweater. Looks really great, especially with those wide leg jeans or a maxi skirt. All right, ladies, if you've made it this far, be sure to give me a like. That way YouTube will push this content out to more ladies that it can potentially help. So hopefully you are having fun and are entertained. If you agree or disagree, be sure to leave your comments down below. I do read them, I do respond. I'd love to hear from you. And so now we are on to the next trend, which is neons, specifically like a fuchsia, which is the color of the year, a beautiful color, the kind of acid green, neon green color, and the same with a yellow, like a bright, vibrant yellow are on trend for this fall and into winter, and they are lovely colors. But if you wanted something a little more understated, a little more sophisticated, I would say opt for just a touch of this vibrant hue, maybe in a shoe, which is how I like to do it, maybe in a purse, or maybe just a tank top. So you can definitely incorporate this vibrant color without fully committing to it in a dress or a blazer. Okay, and trend number 6 is the cinched waist, which is a lovely look, and I think a look that anyone can pull off. A cinched waist can be achieved at any size that you are, and the most popular way right now for the fall is a cinched waist blazer. So having a little bit of a shoulder pad and then a more cinched waist is very much on trend, and I think anyone can achieve that, just balancing the shoulder pad and the waist ratio. Another great option that I personally like to do is, because I'm not a big fan of shoulder pads for myself, is I utilize my blazers that I have more in the relaxed fit and we'll just belt them. And so that is gonna bring in your waist, and then it's a little baggier or not fitted, not tight. So it's still forgiving in the midsection area, but kind of gives you that hourglass look, which is very much on trend. And again, I think you can achieve at any size, no shapewear required. All right, and trend 7, again, trending all year and really revving up as the holidays approach, are metallics. Now, I think every year a metallic dress is great for the holiday seasons, specifically, the Christmas holiday and even into the new year. You can definitely, I think like metallic dresses especially are always on trend. This whole year I've been seeing, even metallic skirts and metallic pants and jackets. So for me, those are a little much and they are absolutely on trend. So if you love them, go for it. If you are wanting that trend kind of in a more chic or understated way, I would say opt for maybe a purse or clutch, or a shoe is a great option to just add a little pop of metallic. Another option that I love is a little shirt or a camisole under your third layer. So, under your cardigan, under your duster, under your blazer is a great look to add a little metallic shimmer, but not committing to a full dress or jacket or something like that is a great sophisticated way to get the metallic trend look. Okay, and trend 8 is lace. Lace everything. Lace, full lacy dress, lace pants, lace tops, which goes along with another trend. I'll circle back to this one, but lace is very much on trend. It is beautiful. I would say if you love this trend and want to wear it in a more covered way, a more understated way, opt for something that you can layer. So again, maybe a mock neck top, maybe a tank top is a lovely way, because then you can throw on a third layer and just have a little bit of it showing through. And then of course the classic camisole with a little bit of lace is always a beautiful option as well, and gives you just a little bit of lace and be on trend without committing to a full maybe wedding gown look. All right, and trend 9 I love, because I love the whole look. So we're going to talk about what it is and then maybe how to wear it in a more timeless way. So trend number 9 are huge third layer options, or fourth, I should probably say fourth layer. So something like a blanket, a poncho, a huge scarf, a shrug, just big and long, huge, layering option like that. And I think it looks great. I've actually seen this through the years, and I think some women always wear it, and you can kind of just modify the colors that suit you, but I think it's always a great look. So it's very much on trend. Of course, we have gone through, the skinny scarf trend and the infinity scarf trend. So now it's kind of almost heading back to the classics, which makes sense. Since the old money style is very much on trend, the minimalistic, style is trending. So kind of back to that original look. And I think that this is a beautiful look that can work for a lot of women. I would maybe suggest not doing the super oversized look, but get just something timeless. And I know a lot of my scarves, I can just spread out and get that super covered look on the top and not have to commit to a huge, you know, blanket type of scarf. And then when the skinnier scarves come back, you can just fold it in half or fold it in thirds. And that way you don't have to keep getting rid of stuff and getting stuff. Really find like kind of a medium to large scarf that you can fold and unfold and just style a little bit differently for the passing trends, and you will be looking stylish and modern. Okay, and trend number 10, it's been trending all year and is big, and I mean, I think it's just been growing all year, is sheer. And not only sheer, but sheer and showing what's underneath, as in your bra or underwear. So a little much for me, not a trend that I will be partaking in, but if you like the look and want to do it in a more classy, maybe age appropriate way, I would say a button-up blouse with a full camisole underneath is just lovely. A top with the sleeves sheer looks wonderful as well. I would say, you know, find the piece that you like, but you know, don't show your bra, don't show your underwear. I don't think that that is a good look for women. Well, personally, I think for anyone, but specifically women, you know, 40, 50, 60 plus. It just comes off as trying too hard and just not classy. All right, ladies, what did you think? Hopefully, no one's offended. Hopefully we can communicate and agree to disagree. These are just my 2 cents. I'd love to hear your 2 cents and what you think, what you feel. Again, if you enjoyed this content, if it was fun, if it was informative, be sure to give me a like so YouTube will push it out to more ladies that it could potentially help. I wanted to thank you so much for stopping in and spending some of your time with me. I hope that you have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.